H&M has just launched their beauty section and I have a bunch of their products over here. So here at Neha Devgan Diaries, I'm gonna give you a first impressions video about all of these products. So without a further delay, let's get started and let's sneak into the world of H&M Beauty. Come. So they haven't launched any base product, but what they have launched is sort of multiple tints which can be used on eyes, lips, and cheeks. And then I have their bullet lipstick, liquid lipsticks, and then I have their mascara, their eyeshadow pen, and their liquid liner. So that's all I'm gonna try. I'll swatch all of these products and will show you the colors as well. What you can expect from this video is how these product performs and in which weather they will perform, on what occasion and what skin types and what skin color. Okay, I'm just gonna apply my Bioderma moisturizer because I need little bit of moisturization on my face. Rest, there is no makeup on my face other than a lip balm. Now I'm really excited for this video, so I might talk a little bit more because when I get excited, I keep on talking. So please bear with me. Okay, so we have this Do It All stick in shade Teddy Matte. The packaging is all cushioned up. There is little bit of foam inside the packaging. And then when you open up, you find this beautiful plastic sort of a stick. And this is what it looks like. This is the teddy stick. I actually forgot what all I have ordered, so I'm opening another one. Peachy Glow, and it says shimmer. So I'm just gonna open this. I think this is a highlighter. It's like a rose gold sort of a shimmer. Then I have this most beautiful product in the packaging. So this looks very luxurious to me. This is a lipstick in red packaging. The color is maroon. Okay, so I think it's all gonna give us a little bit of fall vibes because the colors are browns and maroons. I'm just also gonna open the Make It Easy pen. Yep, I'm also gonna show you a swatch of it. Very beautiful color. This is the color. This is liquid eyeliner, waterproof and long wear. This is what it looks like, and with a thinner applicator. Never ending lash, lengthening and defining mascara. Very electric sort of a packaging. And then we have a thinner wand. Thank God, a thinner wand. Then I have these two lipsticks over here, which we will swatch at the end because there is no space here now. Just little bit of concealer under the eyes so that we can do a very soft sort of a makeup. I think that's what H&M is expecting us to do because they haven't really launched any base product as of now. Maybe it can be in their planning, but I'm gonna do a very simple, very easy to go sort of a makeup only. We can always increase or decrease the coverage the way you want to do it. Anybody who doesn't want to do a lot of makeup and anybody who's a beginner in makeup can also try these products. And that's it. I think this much is enough. And I think basic part is covered, just T section of my face is covered, and that's what needs a little bit of light. This part is most important. So now let's dive into the world of H&M Beauty, and I'm gonna use this blush in shade Teddy Matte. So I'm gonna apply it in two ways. First, I'll take it on the back of my hand. I'll take a little brush, we'll pick it, and we'll see how we can apply it with the help of a brush as well. Okay, I need it more. Very creamy and easily blendable, easily pickable. Now, you can also do your eyes and your lips with it as well. We are testing other products too, so I'm not doing that. But maybe on a short I'll do it. Application with the stick itself comes little bit more pigmented rather than picking it up with the brush. But if you are somebody who's not into too much of makeup, you can definitely use the brush as well. You will need to powder this product because it's very creamy. In India, most of the seasons are hot So we'll need to powder this blush. That's what I feel. But very things which are very creamy, they are dewy as well. They look dewy as well. So it is looking dewy. It has a satiny finish. This color is amazing for fair and medium skin tone. I think for deeper skin tone, this will come as a neutral shade and can look really beautiful for everyday use. But if you really want the blush to pop up, then you will have to buy a deeper shade in this. So I'll check what all shades are there, and meanwhile, when I'm talking, I'll put the shade range on the screen as well. That's what it looks like. Okay, peachy glow shade. Pick it up little bit with the brush over here and will apply it on the high points of my face. And over here I'll just take it on my finger and will tap it. Again with the finger, it looks beautiful. Yeah, very nice. Can you see that shine? Ooh. I like this glam that's happening over here. It's beautiful. Now next step is this eyeshadow pen, and I will just run it through my full eye. I like this color on my eye for everyday situation, and this is something which is becoming matte when I am applying it, which will help you in applying this one in summers as well, because eyeshadow, when it's too creamy, it gives you creases, and but if it's too matte, it's not easy to apply. So this is something in middle, and I like the consistency of this eyeshadow. I think you can just apply it as much as you want to build it up and get the finish that you're looking for. And I feel a little bit of eyeliner of this will also look nice. I will also check that how much it performs for the next 2 to 3 to 4 hours, and will give you the review of that as well on the screen once I'll upload this video. This is gonna be something that college going people, office going people are really going to love, and amazing for Indian skin tones. I like this color for fair, medium and deeper skin tone. This is a very beautiful color. If there is a darker color in this as well, deeper skin tone people can opt for this one and for deeper shade as well. Okay, now I am not really keen towards the eyeliner, but I ordered it, so I'll just make a little bit of wing. Okay, I feel the tip of the eyeliner is not very flexible, so for the straight thing it's okay, but sometimes you gotta blend the tip. That's where I am facing little bit problem over here. The eyeliner, I think it's skippable. Now let's curl my lashes and do the mascara. I just want to let it get dried. It's not getting dried like quickly. It is taking time. अब यहाँ तक आ गए हो तो चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लेना. ज़्यादा हो गया ना, बार बार नहीं बोलना चाहिए. That's what my soul says. But जब मैं इतनी मेहनत करती हूँ और मुझे लगता है कि फॉलो कम हो रहा है, सब्सक्राइब कम हो रहा है, जबकि इतनी सारी चीज़ें करी जा रही हैं, तब लगता है बोल ही देना चाहिए था. I personally love the mascaras with thinner wands, because that ways I get to apply them properly on the under eye part. For mascaras, I generally don't judge them in one go, because the mascaras tend to change their consistency, how they perform. You get to know after a little while. I also like to enjoy the new mascara, because when a mascara is new, it doesn't clumps up, and the air has not gotten inside it, and it just performs beautifully. But after a few weeks of applying it, when you push the air back in again and again, when you take the wand out and in, it tends to clump up and feels heavy on the lashes as well. So now I have two lip shades over here. I'm gonna swatch both of these for you. This is matte for matte liquid matte lipstick in shade. This is like a dusty pink color. This shade like a mauvish color. Okay, and then there is a brown rusty orange sort of a color. This color. Okay, so these two colors are here, and then I have a bullet lipstick in this shade. This is like a maroonish sort of a shade. I'm gonna retouch my blush a little and a little bit of concealer under the eyes. Very little, just I want to. That's it. Since I don't have the bronzer, I've just taken little bit of blush and have applied, because it's like little brown in color. I don't know if it's a good idea or not. I'll check in the mirror. But I've applied it on the perimeters of my forehead to give it little bit of bronzy shade. Now, I feel like you will have to powder your face after this. So we are going to dust it with little bit of translucent powder that I have here. For the eye, I feel like touching up again. So the way you're going to deal with this is you can apply this a little extra when you're applying it, so that even if your skin eats this product, this is gonna stay. Okay, the lipstick color looks beautiful for fair and medium skin tone. For deeper skin tone, it's gonna come up as like a pop-up color. Although I do feel that lipstick is sticky, as in when you try to build this lipstick, it becomes sticky. Yeah, so there is a sticky feeling, and I feel it's not drying properly, fully. It's there like a sticky substance on your lip. So the final thoughts about this is, I think you will have to build it up, because it just fades if you apply a little. So just apply a little bit more so that it stays on your face, and rest about everything I've shared time to time. And I just quickly want to change this lipstick, and will show you the satin lipstick as well, how it looks like. And I actually want to try this color. This is what it looks like. I feel without these eyes, this lipstick will look nice, because it's not really matching with the purpley pink eyes and then a red sort of a lipstick. So I think without this, I'm just gonna reapply it some other time on a reel on Instagram, and then you guys can see that as well. For right now, this is the color and this is what it looks like. It's a satiny lipstick, transferable lipstick. And that's it for the day. Hope you have liked this video. For more such reviews, keep on following Neha Devgan Diaries. And in the next video, I'm gonna tell you about the 4 new skin tints that I have just tried. Bye bye, and wish you all a very happy Diwali.